Hello, and welcome to my weekly cooking show. Every Tuesday I want to share a recipe that fits into the keto eating plan. Back in Christmas I got a keto cookbook from my grandma. Quite a few good recipes on here. It's a quick keto recipe and a lot of them are really good, handy. I haven't cooked a whole lot of them because I haven't been very good on my diet lately. But a lot of them are just pretty much just put it in a pot and cook it, or there's a lot of jar recipes, so you just put everything in a jar and you're good. Let me go ahead and get into this is a keto clam chowder. It's pretty simple stuff, but everything is one pot cooking. I don't have a lot of experience eating clam chowder because living in the middle of Kansas, I don't get much seafood. But so it's be interesting to look into eating some clam chowder. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here's all what's in it. It's 3 6.5 ounce cans of clams, chopped clams. I'll be using 1/2 of a head of cauliflower. 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. I'm using ghee. I make my own ghee. That's why it's in that jar there. 1 small yellow onion. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 stalks of celery. 1 cup of I'm using chicken stock. If you want, you can use clam juice or vegetable stock. 1 cup of sour cream. 1 cup of heavy cream. Salt, pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 3 slices of crispy bacon. I just finished baking those. I thought about showing that part too, but it takes like half an hour to crisp that bacon. Anyway, go ahead and get started. Got everything chopped up and measured out. Opened up the cans of clams and separate out the juice. We'll hold on to the juice for a little bit later. I got the cauliflower cut up into, it says 1-inch florets, but I didn't want to cut apart very well. It's cut up. And I got the tablespoons of ghee melted into the pan here. So now I'll add in the garlic and the onions. Put that on a medium heat and let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it's fragrant. All right, that's been cooking for a couple minutes now. So I'll go ahead and add in the celery and the cauliflower, and I'll saute that for about a minute. Okay, now it's been sauteing for a minute. I'll go ahead and add in the clam juice from the cans of clams, the chicken stock, and now I'll go ahead and let that come to a boil. It didn't take it very long to get to a boil, so I'll go ahead and turn the heat back down to medium, and put the lid on for 8 minutes. And we'll let that cook until the cauliflower is tender. Now that it's cooked for 8 minutes, we'll go ahead and add in the whipping cream and the sour cream. Got the sour cream and whipping cream mixed in. We'll go ahead and add in the clams. Get those stirred in, and I'll let that cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's cooked for about 5 minutes now, so I'll go ahead and add in a tablespoon of parsley and get that mixed in. Smells pretty good. Salt to taste, which I think I mentioned before, I don't like that phrase. Salt and pepper to taste. It's like, how much is that? I know that's subjective. That means, like, literally definition of subjective is salt and pepper to taste, but I really don't like that phrasing. Anyway, I guess if I think I need more when I'm eating it, I'll just add more salt and pepper. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. And the bacon, that's for a topping. I guess that's just garnish. But anyway, yeah, once it gets served up, it makes about 6 servings, but it says 6 1.25 cup servings. So I think I'm gonna make those 3 servings. 3 2.5 cup servings out of this. So that's it. And that's keto clam chowder. That's keto clam chowder. It smells pretty good. I don't think I'll be having this one too often because Randall, Kansas, don't get seafood too often. Those cans of clams are like $3 or $4 a can. I don't think I'm going to be making this too often. Yeah, but every Tuesday, I want to be making keto recipes. I haven't been making those as often as I like to lately. But hopefully I can get back into that. Thanks for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And have a nice day.